I did it yesterday. Look at your chubby little cheeks.
He's so awake right now, huh?
I think he's too warm in that blanket, putting him to sleep.
It is a bit warm in here, I think, too.